What if the next time you told a robot to do something, it actually stopped, thought about it, and then decided the best way to carry it out? That's not science fiction anymore. Google just unveiled Gemini Robotics 1.5, and for the first time ever, machines aren't just following instructions. They're thinking as they move. And the real question is, should we be worried? Up until now, robots were like vending machines. Insert a command, get one predictable result. Put banana in bowl. End of story. No context, no flexibility. But with Gemini 1.5, that era is gone. These robots now chain decisions together. They plan, adapt, and respond when the world doesn't play nice. Take Apollo, for example. It wasn't just dumping socks into a bin. It noticed when a piece of cloth was awkwardly placed, nudged the basket closer, and then grabbed it properly. Nobody coded that exact move. It emerged on the spot. That's the eerie part. You can literally read its thoughts as it debates what to do next. Then there's the fruit test. Green apple, green plate, banana, yellow plate. Sounds like child's play. But the difference is that Gemini 1.5 isn't memorizing. It's perceiving, planning, and executing like a human would. Here's where it really flips the script. Gemini 1.5 isn't one brain per robot. It's one brain for all robots. Apollo learns laundry, ALOHA learns how to handle fruit, and instantly, they both know each other's skills. This is how a hive mind starts. Machines teaching machines. And then comes the unsettling part. These robots don't just act on what they already know. They can look up information, pull in rules from the internet, and act on it. In San Francisco, ALOHA was asked to sort trash correctly. Instead of guessing, it checked city recycling guidelines online, matched them with what was on the table, and finished the job. That's not just obeying. It's researching, reasoning, and acting. So, should we be thrilled? Or should we be worried? On one side, this could mean robots that fold our laundry, pack our bags, and clean our cities. On the other side, we're watching machines learn, adapt, and share intelligence across bodies. That's no longer a tool. That's the start of something much bigger. Gemini 1.5 just blurred the line between following orders and independent thought. And if robots are starting to think before they act, where does that road take us? Are we heading toward the most helpful machines humanity's ever built, or something we're not ready for? Drop your take in the comments. Smash the like button if this blew your mind, and don't forget to subscribe, because this is only the beginning.